Shah, the ICC chair. It's been a great performance today from Rohit Sharma's team. Many congratulations to them. Varun Chakravarti, who belatedly came in to the team, has had a magnificent tournament. Shreyas Iyer, Shubman Gill, Ravindra Jadeja, of course, one of the greats of the modern game, Virat Kohli, Hardik Pandya, Rishabh Pant, Akshar Patel, KL Rahul, who has had an outstanding tournament, Harshit Rana, have truly been outstandingly consistent, India, and so many contributors to their title-winning performance. Mohammad Shami, Arshdeep Singh, Washington Sundar, and of course another key contributor, Kuldeep Yadav. And the captain himself, Rohit Sharma. Rohit, as you listen to this, your thoughts?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
As you listen to this cheering, what are your thoughts on the appreciation you're being shown?
No, firstly, I want to appreciate everyone who came and supported here. The crowd here has been magnificent. You know, it's not our home ground, but they made it our home ground. Only because the number of people came here and wanted to watch us play. Yeah, to get that result in the end was very, very satisfying.
From a bowling perspective and the way that your slower bowlers in particular operated today, what grade do you give that collective group?
No, absolutely. Look, not just this game, but right from the beginning, I thought, you know, our spinners in particular, you know, just there's too much expectations, you know, when you're playing on a pitch like that, but they never disappointed. You know, we do understand their strength playing on pitches like this, and it helped them, and we used that to our advantage. We played some really good cricket, and throughout the tournament, in terms of our bowling, we were very, very consistent.
The opening partnership was a very solid one, and then some tremors in the middle there. Someone like a KL Rahul and his steadiness. Speak to us about his series and tournament.
Yeah, look, again, a very, very solid mind. Never gets overawed by the pressure around him. That is one of the reasons we wanted to have him in that middle phase and, you know, try and finish off the game for us. You know, with this experience, with his class, there's a bit of calmness when he bats, and he picks the right, you know, shot to play in the pressure situation, which obviously allows the other guys who are batting around him, you know, to come out and play freely. For example, Hardik, you know, came out and played some really good shot in both games. That actually, you know, gave us a little bit of breather. But again, you know, the overall batsmanship that was shown by all our batters throughout the tournament was superb.
I just want to go to another name who came in belatedly into the tournament. I think you touched on it just now, Varun Chakravarti, and what he has brought to your team.
Again, you know, he's got something different about him. I have said it many a times. You know, And when you are playing on a pitch like that, we want the batsman to force on him, and that is where he becomes a lot more dangerous.